Assalamualaikum, hope you all are doing good. So in this video I will show you how you can design this marquee text and WordPress website using Elementor. So if you're designing your website using Elementor, there's a very simple and easiest way you can create this marquee, or you can say scrolling text on your website without any code. So let's get started. Here's the plugin, and you just need to install it. Let me show you. WordPress. I have already installed this plugin. Let me show you. This is the plugin. This is basically add-on which is for the Elementor if you have Elementor Pro, otherwise it will not work. So let's get started. Here is already a marquee on my website header page, so I will create one more over here. Simply just, if you want full width or half width section, just click on it. I'm going to take full width and add element. You just simply search marquee text. So here is the marquee text. To change the color of the background, you just simply select this section and choose whatever the color you want. Let me create black. Wherever you want to put this, you can create section. If you want to design this marquee on the footer section, you can create the section over here. If you want to create above the header, you can create anywhere. Just choose this section and start creating. Here is the text, whatever you want to write. Like for example, here is simple text like this is my first marquee text. So whatever you want to write, you can add new element over here. Just add element and add over there, but I'm going to duplicate it so you can see there are a number of marquees over here. For this setting, you can choose certain number of gap between how many times you want to duplicate, start visible. If you want to pause on hover, you can click over here. Like when you scroll your mouse over it, will be stop scrolling. Direction left to right or right to left, whatever you want. Like you can see duration and divider. So I'm going to change their typography. So here is whatever the text type you want. Let me choose white color and a little bit small text, 20. Here you can see these are text typography. So here is the speed. If you want to make it little slow, you can choose it 4000 or according to your requirement. Like I want a little more slow, so here you can see there is the marquee text over here. Gap between angle and each and everything you can choose over here. So this is the very simple and easiest way to create marquee anywhere. Like if you have any query regarding this, You can ask me in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.